Hello student, in this video lecture we are going to study basic structure modeling. Now we will see what is class and object. Class model provides the static structure of the system. It is useful for interacting with the customer. What is class? A class has a set of properties, behavior, kind of relationship. Okay, that means class is a combination of attributes, operations, and relationship. Okay, class appear as a common noun in the class name. Object. What is object? Object is an instance of a class. Object represent the real world entity. Object consists of properties and methods which tells us how to access this property. Every object has a unique identity. Class diagram. There are two kinds of model that gives the structure of the system. That means class diagram and object diagram shows the structure of the system. Class diagram gives a graphical representation of the model, modeling classes and their relationship. It represents the structure of the system. Class diagram are very useful for actual program designing. The class diagram define the essential resources of the system. Okay, UML symbol of class diagram is a box. Okay, first we will draw the box. This box is divided into the four sections. First section contains the name of the class in the middle of the first section. Okay, second section contains the number of attributes with their visibility type. Okay, visibility means what? Public, private, protected. Third section contains the class operation, that means number of operations or methods with their argument list and return type. Fourth section contains the responsibility of the class. It is an optional to use in the class. There are two types of notation to represent the class. Okay, first notation is only write down the name of the class. Okay, this is our first method. Second method, class with all necessary details. Okay, that means the box is divided into the four section. First one is your class, second one is your visibility, attribute, data type. That means second section contains the number of attributes with their visibility and data type. Third section contains the operations of the class with their visibility and argument list. And fourth section contains the responsibility of the system. For example, class notation for patient. Okay, patient is the name of the class. Okay, that's why we write down in the middle of the box. Next box contains the number of attributes. Okay, attributes, patient id is your first attribute. Okay, first indicates the visibility type, that means plus indicates that it is a public. Okay, and int is your data type. Okay, next hash patient name. Hash means what? It is a protected visibility type, protected, available to the current and inherited classes. Patient appointment is again in protected type, and last one is your minus sign indicates that it is a private. It is available only to the current class. Okay, all these are the attributes of the class patient. Next, third section contains the number of methods. Okay, and the methods again has add patient, and return type means argument. Return type is your void. Okay, plus indicates it is a public method, and minus indicates it is a private method. Okay, and fourth section is your responsibility, that shows the what is the responsibility of the class? To maintain the patient record. Same for the student. Okay, name of the class is your student, student ID, and data type is your integer. Write down the student name colon space integer hash student name string. Okay, plus indicates it is a public available to the current and other classes. That means it is accessible to the whole program. Okay, hash means what? Available to the current and inherited classes. Minus available only to the current class. It is accessible only within the class. Okay, same function, add plus minus with their visibility and return type. And responsibility of the student class is to maintain the student record. What is object diagram? Object diagram shows the individual object and their relationship. Object diagram are helpful for documenting the test cases and discussing the example. Okay, because object diagram contains the all necessary values. Okay, in object diagram we pass the values. How to draw the object diagram or notation of object diagram? First method is here, write down the name of the object colon and name of the class. This is our first method. Second method contains the object name colon class. In second section we write down the visibility attribute type. Okay, that means attribute of the class with their visibility colon initial value. Here we pass the some values. Okay, and last section contains the responsibility. Okay, responsibility again is a optional part. Okay, the second part or second notation, we divide the box into the three section. First section contains the object name colon class. Second section contains the attribute with their initial value, and last section contains the responsibility of the object diagram. Okay, and last part is your optional part. Object notation for class student. Okay, object 1 is the name of the object colon student is the name of the class. Okay, plus in second section we passed some values like student ID 101, student name Rohit, student address Nasik. Like that we pass some values in object diagram. Thank you.